everyone! This video, the first of 2 parts, shows you how to add a new academic section to an existing class. First, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Click on Class Management. Look for the link that says Section Management, and click on it. This opens the screen where you can add sections. To create a new section, first select the class name from the drop-down menu at the top. Next, in the form provided, enter the section name, for example Section D. Then, enter the maximum number of students that this new section can hold. Finally, click the Save button. A new section is created, and will now appear in the list. That's it for Part 1. We've successfully added a new section. In Part 2 we will learn how to assign a class teacher to this section. You should be on the Section Management screen, viewing the list of classes and sections. To assign a teacher, find the specific class and section you want to update in the list. Click on the Edit button next to that class under the Action column. A form will open. From the drop-down menu, select the class teacher, who will be responsible for that class and section. You can also add teacher's signature that will appear in the list below, next to their name. Click the Save button to confirm the assignment. The teacher is now successfully assigned as the class teacher for that section. That's it for Part 2. Thanks for watching.